Okay, so in this example, I'm just going to show you this calculation using Cohen's d. So here I've got two groups, all right, and let's just say our group for our mean for the group 1 was 12 and our mean for the group 2 was 11.9. Okay, let's say we had a standard deviation of 0.3 and we had a standard deviation of 0.29. So you might ask, where am I getting these numbers from? I'm just making these numbers up. Okay, if we actually had data, this is what we'd do. We'd put our means and our standard deviations into this formula. And then I'm going to click compute. And Cohen's d, this is the value we're looking at. We've got an effect size of 0.33. So according to our reading, we could say this is probably a small to medium effect in whatever it is we're measuring. So I'm going to reset this, and let's say we had another group and we had a mean of 18 and a mean of 10 and a standard deviation of 1.3 and a standard deviation here of 1.6. And we computed that. Wow, now I've got a very large effect size. So whatever we did, whatever kind of manipulation we did, we might have found significance, but we also found a very large effect that was happening with this data.